Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make Portuguese bean soup. So we had ham over the holidays. So what I did was I took the bones, and it's about 2.5 pounds worth of bones. And then I'm just going to cover it with water. So this is 2 quarts of water. If you don't have ham bones available, you can also buy the smoked ham hocks. But they're kind of salty and they're kind of hard. So what you have to do is you have to rinse it real good, bring it to a boil, cook it for about half hour, throw out the water, cook it again, and cook it until it's kind of soft, maybe at least an hour, hour and a half. Okay, so that's 3 quarts of water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then let it cook down or simmer for at least an hour, and then we'll add other things to it. The ham bones have been cooking for 1 hour. And you can see everything is kind of soft. The meat is kind of falling off the bones. Later I'll take off the meat and add more ham if needed. So now I'm just going to put the rest of the ingredients in, which is 3 cloves of garlic, just smashed a little bit, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of parsley, you can use fresh or dried, 3 bay leaves, and 6 peppercorns. Then I have all these veggies, which is like 3 stalks of carrots, or 3 stalks of celery and 3 carrots cut up. 1 onion, everything cut into pieces. 1 small head cabbage. Maybe this is too much. I'll put less. And here's the carrots, the 3 carrots. And 1 green bell pepper. And again, you can use your judgment as to how much you want to use. You don't have to follow the exact measurements. Then I have 1 Portuguese sausage cut up. And you can use linguiça or other kinds of sausage. Smoked sausage or any kind that you find in the store. And this is 2 cans of kidney beans, or you can use pinto beans or other beans too. Then I have here 2 small cans, 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. And that's it. And all you're going to do is you're going to mix it up and let it cook for another hour. So we'll see you back when it's done. This is the finished product after 1 more hour of cooking. Everything is cooked down really soft, and I'm going to fish out the bones, and if I want I can add more ham that I have on the side. Now the other thing I didn't tell you was before I added the vegetables, there was a lot of grease on top, so I ladled out quite a bit, and now there's hardly any oil. So I hope you enjoy this. You can see everything here, the beans, the sausage, all the veggies, very delicious. And you can add more seasoning after, more salt and pepper if you like. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. Aloha for watching. Thank you so much.